As a professional content creator, still these 5 visual hooks to go viral. In today's world, if your content doesn't capture your audience in the first 3 seconds, you might as well not even post a reel because you're losing so much viewership. So let's dive right in. Number 1 is steal this/these blank to blank. If you're watching this far, you know it's effective because I use it in this video. I have some test footage. I love to use really bold text for this type of hook. This is a template that I made myself, and I like to just change it to steal this, and this just looks super clean and definitely stands out. Hook number 2, it took me X years to learn blank, but I'm going to teach you in under X minutes. So for this hook, I made my own custom Mogurt template of a number animation. So it basically lets me just drag and drop onto my timeline, and then I just drag it into position, and honestly, it looks super clean. By the way, I've linked to all these animated templates I made for these hooks down below. I think one thing people talk about is, yes, it's important to have good verbal hooks, but you also have to make sure they look nice and they look visually appealing and they're really bold and stand out. So I made all these animated hook caption templates that you can use inside of Premiere Pro by just dragging and dropping, and I've linked to a free sample Mogurt down below. Hook number 3, here's how you can blank 10 times faster. My reels, I've talked about video editing content, so I said, how can editors edit 10 times faster? One of my favorite templates for this one is number 12. So I just drag and drop it, scale it down, move it into position, change the text to match the hook, and boom, I have a super visually aesthetic hook. Hook number 4 is, as a professional blank, here's how I blank. For this hook, I love to use my title template number 25. So I just drag and drop it once again, and I change the emphasis word to say professional. I just scale it down like that, and then I change the subtext to say as a, and then I just scale down the position and move it up just like that, and I'll move the entire title card up just like that, and boom, that looks super professional. And lastly, the 5th viral hook is free. Literally just say free in the first 3 seconds. People love free stuff. Now keep in mind, free stuff also has hidden costs, quote by Alex Hermosi. So whatever you're giving away for free, make sure it has value and it's gonna be worth people's time. For this hook, I made my own animated motion graphic template. So I just drag and drop it onto my timeline. I just position it to where I want it to be, and it looks so clean. Now this ties into the most important part of this video. Just because you use a certain set of catchphrases or like highlight keywords doesn't mean your video is gonna go viral. Virality all ties down to value. It should be validity. If you're providing value to your viewers or your audience, they're going to watch the full video. This can be informational, it can be entertaining, it can be a free asset, maybe like a guide, maybe like a workout guide, a PDF, a digital product, whatever you want to give out for free. Just make sure you're thinking about value for the viewer and audience first. And that's honestly my true core belief for virality and just growing an audience in general. If you're not providing value, don't even bother making content. And if you think about it, every single successful content creator is providing value in some sort of way. If you want to check out the animated Mogurt templates that I made specifically for these hooks, you can check out the link below in the description. I also have a free Mogurt for you there as well. Wink, wink, value. Now, if you want to learn how to actually make these animated captions from scratch, you can check out this video linked right here.